I said. You want to see that? Already you know. Yes. Sir, if you show it everything practically, sir, what to do, sir? So that's what, students, I should not have a single word. Sorry, you did not cover. I want to tell you everything in the class. That's my intention. That is my intention. I want to teach you perfectly. Okay, now, come on, written what? Line, comma, words. Line and words I want to return. Line and words I want to return. Returning there, and it is getting into where? You can write it. Here I am writing. Line, comma, what? Words. Print here. What is this now? Given line is equal to dot format of what? Line, dot format of line, dot format of line, and next is called what? Extra bracket. Come on now. Come on. Given words. Given words is equal to dot format of what? Words. Beautiful. So here, see guys, here what? Decorator example 5.py. 5.py. Written. Yes, ma. Written inner function name. Correct. You are correct. Written what? Separate. RAT. Separate. Separate of? No. Separate only. Separate only. Okay. Perfect. You are getting the knowledge. Shiva? Shiva, are you there? So, Shiva. Shiva, are you there? My dear student, are you okay? Are you little okay with this now? At least slowly when I'm teaching multiple examples now, you will understand. Are you okay with this? Little bit are you okay now compared to the previous one? Oh, okay, okay. Now you'll catch it. No doubt in that. Let us execute. Now you'll execute. Save it. Now, try to run it. Py, this one. Shiva is a Python student. Python student. What is coming? Shiva is a Python student. Shiva is Python student. That word Shiva how many letters? Is how many letters? Python how many letters? Student how many letters? I want to come. In what format? Dict format. Dict format. For that I will write one more decorator. One more decorator. Come on. For that I am going to write what? Word count. Word count. Word count. What is word count? Decorator. Decorator. Which decorator will execute first? Line number 11. Why? You are calling what? Get line. Get line means it will go here. That is captured by whom? Line split. It will go to line split. Line split to this 4. This 8. It will come to what here? Separate. Separate of is captured by whom? Word count. And word count I am going. Word count I am going. Come on. DEF. Word count. Word count of. What is that now? Line SPL. Line SPL. Some function name. Some function name. Any function name you take it. Line split. Line split. That means I will take it. What is this now? Count values. Count what? Values. Call what function? Line SPL. Will return what value? Will return what value? Line comma what? Words. Line comma words. Instead of that, I will write simply KVR. I'll write simply KVR. What is KVR contains? Two values. KVR of 0 is what? Line. KVR of 1 is what? Words. Understand? If you not getting that, this is called a line as well as what? Yes, words. Beautiful. Line is anyhow is there. That words I want to get it. Words is which type? List type. I want to get the list type value. How do you get it? for word in words. Word in where? Words. That word plus length. Key comma value pair I want to keep it. Key comma value pair I want to take it. How do you do? D is equal to create what? Empty dict. Create empty dict. What a beautiful subject. D of what? Word. D of word is equal to what? Len of what? Word. Is it not adding the data to the, is it not adding the data to the dictionary or not? Adding the data to the dictionary. Okay. After finishing that, for loop will be over. It is made it ready. Now I want to go for what? Return. Return. Line, comma, words, D. D. Total dictionary returning. Total dictionary returning. Total dictionary returning. 3 values are returning now. Go back. Here I will write what? Return of what? Yes. Count values. Beautiful. Count values. If I come back, here what is happening now? Get line is going to contain what? Here I will say HYD. Single line I am writing. HYD is a tuple. HYD is a tuple now. HYD contains what? 0 index, first index, second index. So this tuple contains what? String is there, list is there. Inside the tuple, dictionary is there because we learned already dict in tuple, list in tuple, str in tuple is general. What is my next sentence? Given line is equal to, what is that now? HYD of 0. Next is called what here? HYD of what? 1. HYD of 1. Next is called what? Word count. Word count. Words count. What I am writing now? HYD of 2. Ma? Where? Which line? Which line number? 15, huh? 20. Okay, okay, okay. Index related. Close. This part. This part. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Try to run this. Say here, enter the data, Shiva, 5. Is Python, like this. What a beautiful subject. This is called given data. Shiva, everything I want in capital letters. How do you do? Huh? Upper of correct. Upper of. That is a question mark. Dot what? Upper of. Dot upper of. Inside the dictionary, word of. See that. Shiva. Shiva capital. Is capital. Python capital. Etc. capital. This is the subject. Like this, you need to do it. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy. When sir will do, everything is easy. This is the subject. So this is decorator. What is the decorator? Decorator is one of the normal function which will provide additional functionality to the normal function. Simply you say, suppose if you are unable to say, what is the decorator? You tell one thing, defining one function inside of another function you tell. What you will ask? One function, another function. You tell technically, one function is called a decorator. Inside the function is doing the operation. Write the syntax and tell, you will like, maybe he's having communication problem, but is good in subject. You will say, why you need communication? Generally, to express your views to the interviewer at that point of time. One more view is what, when you get promoted, you will communicate with the clients. Some outside clients you will communicate. That time you need. Are you following? And if you have very good programming knowledge, it's more than enough. But communication is also an important to try to do that. After reading the notes, you memorize by yourself. You spell out by yourself after understanding. Automatically you will get English. So English learning is not a big problem. And because in Amirpet you are seeing English Yagnam. Without grammar, they want to make you to learn English. This is what is surprising part. I don't know. Without grammar, can you do it? It's like a China product, that is. China product, no guarantee. and they will keep something here, band keeping. For teaching English, all weapons are required. Nothing is required. So try to read the notes. Daily read one newspaper, one English newspaper you read. Hindu you read, you will get English, not a problem. And that too, one of the most important fact is you are English medium from LKG onward. That is a fact. Correct? No, you're not English medium. How come it is? You are English medium students, I hope so. Okay, students, no issue. Did you understand this? Done. Class is over. Decorator is done. Now, this decorator concept is most important in OOPS. Now, 7:32. Now, you also take 8 minutes. You also take a weekend celebration. Because now 7:32. Now we'll stop it. And Monday, what is the topic? OOPS. OOPS, Monday. OOPS topic. Ma? Iterator. Generator. I will explain separately because that I will explain. That is a half an hour time is required. In one moment, I will explain. Not right now. Monday will start. Oops, don't miss it. Very, very important. Your oops is already oops. If you look at my oops, if you look at this book, Sumit, it's very dead easy student. 1947 topic you are taking. Sumit Patil, that is the 1947. I will explain within no minute. You see once. Oops, I will open the index. Mind blowing index. You go to this place. Oops, here. Index you see once. See the index. First level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. See the index. This much big index is there. This is almost 10 days I will discuss. Don't miss the topic. Monday class, very, very important. Thank you. All the best. Online. Online students. Any more doubts you have? You can raise your hands. I will clarify your doubts. Prakash Raju. Prakash Raju.
Raise your hand, Sanjay. So,
Prakash Raju, please tell me.
so what?
So any more doubts, my dear students? Ashutosh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ashutosh.
Sir, I have one question. Above the decorator where you defined in line number 20 and 21st, like at the rate word count and line split, right? So before line number 20 and 21, you defined the function in line
Your
number
voice
30.
is breaking. Your voice is breaking in that time.
I'm sorry, sir. Is it clear now?
Is it okay? Now it is okay.
Okay. So my question was in line number 20 and 21st, you defined the decorators, right? At the
Yeah.
rate word count and at the rate line split.
Oh.
And you defined the functions related to that in line number 13 and the above line. So is always we have to define the functions above the decorators, or we can define it?
Obviously, now when we are getting this function call, this is a normal function call. Before the normal function call, before the normal function call. Definition must be required or not.
Okay, yeah.
This is
Okay.
calling, normal function call. Before the
Mhm.
function call only, we have the definition, right?
Right,
This
right.
itself is taken as a function call only. This
Correct.
itself is a function call. That's why I defined this.
Okay, so that is a mandate, like we have to do
Mandatory,
that.
mandatory. Otherwise, you will get name error. Name error will come.
Okay, okay. Got, oh yes, name that. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, Ashutosh. Any more doubts, students? Any more doubts, students? Having any more doubts? I'll clarify your doubts. Suresh, example number 5. Simple, ma. When you call this function, it is going to the line number 21. 21 is captured by what? Like this. Line split off, get line. This get line is going to this place. Which one? The line split function. Inside entering into that, get line is done, and then splitting that, returning these words. Before returning, what is returning? Separate function. Separate function is calling what? Word count. It will go to word count. Word count this line split, which is nothing but this function only. That will give you what entering inside of it. It is returning where? Count values. Count values will call what? Line split, which will give you the words. Dictionary created and doing the logic and returning these three values that are going to coming and falling into HYD. Here HYD is the tuple. Here HYD is the tuple. Same, I already explained. I think, Suresh, you execute once, you will get the clarity. Okay, students, take care. And tomorrow there is a Monday class. We'll go for oops. Don't miss the class. Thank you, students. All the best.